Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 3, Lesson 8, where we're going to be extending our knowledge of place value to now multiplying equations that no longer look like this, and instead look like this. Yes, you guys, we are multiplying now by 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. But it's the same concept, so let's get right into it. As y'all can see on my screen, this is Miss Turner's anchor chart that we're going to be using to help us today. And this is just an example of how we're going to continue multiplying. So as a refresher, we are going to be using discs, and we're also going to be using our partial product. Remember, when we're using discs, if there's 10 or more, we have to bundle. If there's 10 or more, we have to do what? Yes, good job. We have to bundle. And then we're going to move on to our right-hand side and do our partial product. So let's get right into our first problem. And we're going to be starting on slide 5. I have the equation 2 times 213. Let's ask ourselves, how many groups of 213 am I going to place on my place value chart? If you're getting stuck, ask yourself, what am I multiplying 213 by? That will tell you how many groups you're making. Good job. Yes, 2 groups of 213. And remember, in that number 213, I have 3 ones, I have 1 10, and I have 2 hundreds. So I'm going to drag my 3 ones, 1 10, and 2 hundreds. I'm going to drag another group of 3 ones, 1 10, 2 hundreds. And now I have 2 groups of 213. Let's think for a second. Starting in my ones place, do I have enough to bundle? No, I don't have enough to bundle. How many would I need to bundle? How many would need to be in the ones place in order for me to bundle? At least what? How many? Yeah, at least 10. Good job. You guys were paying attention in our previous lesson. At least 10. So how many ones do I have? Good. 6 ones. And now I'm on to my tens place. Do I have enough tens to bundle? Nope. How many tens do I have? Good. 2 tens. And now I'm in my hundreds place. Do I have enough hundreds to bundle? Nope. How many hundreds do I have? Awesome. 4 hundreds. So I know that my product, 2 groups of 213, or 2 times 213, equals 426. We are now going to do the same thing on our partial product. Remember, partial product means you're finding part of your product and then you're adding all of those parts together. Now here's the trick, y'all. We're breaking it apart based off of their place value, starting in the ones. So think back. When we broke apart 213, how many ones did we have? How many ones were in the number 213? What number's in the ones place? Yes, 3 ones. And what number is in tens place in this number? Good, 110. And what number's in the hundreds place in this number? Good job, 2 hundreds. So now that I know what I'm multiplying 2 by, it's time for me to start actually multiplying and finding those partial products. On my first row, I have 2 times 3 ones. Let's not worry about the place value for right now, and let's just worry about the problem. 2 times 3. What's my product? Easy peasy. Yes, 6. I have 6 ones. How would I write 6 ones? You read my mind. Yeah, it's just 6, y'all. It's just 6 because I have 6 ones. Now let's move on to our tens. 2 times 1 10. Or 2 times 1. Yeah, easy peasy. 2. 2 tens. How would I write 2 tens? In standard form. Think about it. If I had two $10 bills, how much money would I have? Yes, 20. So my 2 is going to go in my tens place, and my 0 is going to go in my ones place. Now I'm in the hundreds place. 2 times 2 hundreds, or just 2 times 2 for now. What's 2 times 2? Good, 4. And I have 4 hundreds. How do I write 4 hundreds in standard form? Good job. 4, 0, 0. Awesome. And now what are we going to do with all of these numbers? You read my mind again. Yes, we're going to add them starting in our ones place. Do not start adding in your hundreds place because you never know if you have to regroup. So we always start in our hundreds place. So here we go. We always start in our ones place. Here we go. 6 plus 0 plus 0. What's my sum? Good, 6. And now I'm in my tens place. 2 plus 0. Good, 2. And now I'm in that hundreds place. 4 plus nothing. Good, 4. Do my products match? Did I get the same answer both times? I did, so I'm good to go. Let's try one more, you guys. I want us to look at number 4. In this problem, we're moving from a 3-digit number to a 4-digit number. This number is in our thousands place, but do not let that scare you, y'all. It's the same thing, I promise you. Let's go ahead and get started. 4 times 1,424. How many groups of 1,424 am I supposed to be making here? How many? Remember, if you get stuck, what am I multiplying my bigger number by? Yes, 4 groups. 1,424. Well, here's my first group of 1,424. Or 4 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds, and 1,000. Here's my second group. Here's my third. And here's my fourth. What do I have to do next? My groups are on my place value chart. What do I do next? Yes, I'm going to start counting my discs, starting in my ones place, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Count with me as I count aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So, should I just put 16 here in my ones place? Would that be correct? No, that's crazy. I can't have 16 discs in one place value. So what do I need to do? Whisper it to me. No, don't tell your partner. Tell me. Don't tell the person next to you. Tell Miss Turner. Whisper it into the computer. What do I need to do? Yes, I need to bundle. Remind me, a bundle is a group of how many? Yes, a bundle is a group of 10. So let's count a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go ahead and bundle this group of 10. And hopefully your handwriting is a lot neater than Miss Turner's because, honey, it looks kind of crazy on this screen. How many are left after I bundle? Count them. Yes, 6. Good. And now I'm in my tens place. Remember, 10 makes a bundle, I know for sure. Draw my arrow and draw one more. That is why I have another disc. I drew another disc in my tens place because I brought over my 10 ones and I made 1 10. So now, how many tens do I have? Good, 9. Is that enough to bundle? Nope, not enough to bundle. So I'm just going to place a 9 on underneath my tens place. Now I'm in my hundreds place. Let's count together to see how many hundreds we have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Can I have 16 discs in one place value? Nope, I sure can't. So what do I need to do? Yeah, bundle. A bundle is a group of 10. Yes, let's go ahead and count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my bundle. 10 makes a bundle, I know for sure. Draw my arrow and draw one more. So those 10 hundreds are turning into 1,000. How many hundreds are left? Good job. Yeah, 6 hundreds are left. And now how many thousands do I have? Good job. 5 thousands, because you can't forget about that other disc that I drew in the thousands place. So I know that my product is 5,696. Let's go ahead and solve the same problem using our partial product. Remember, we're always going to start by filling in our place values on the right-hand side first. All right? So remember, this is the number that we're looking at, 1,424. How many ones are in the number 1,424? What number's in the ones place? Good, 4. I have 4 ones. How many tens do I have? What number's in the tens place? Good job, 2. 2 tens. How many hundreds do I have? Awesome, 4 hundreds. And how many thousands do I have? 1. Good job. All right, team. Now, I want you to solve the rest. So solve the rest, pause the video, and then we're going to come back together and we're going to see if we got the same answers, okay? Go ahead and pause the video right now. All right, team. All right, what do we get for our first row? 4 times 4 ones. How many ones do I have? I got the same answer. I got 16 ones, or just 16. What about the second row? 4 times 2 tens. How many tens do I have? Good, 8 tens. But how would I write that number in standard form? How did you write it? Good, me too, 80. And now I'm in the hundreds place, 4 times 4 hundreds. What did you get? Me too, 16 hundreds. But how do I write 16 hundreds in standard form? How did you write it so I can copy what you have on your paper? Awesome! Yes, 1,600. 1,600. And that last row, 4 times 1,000, what did you get? Good job. You're good at this. 4,000. And what did you do after you found all your partial products? Good job. Yeah, add them up starting in the ones place. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we already know is 6. 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0, we already know is 9. 6 plus 0, we already know is 6. And 1 plus 4, we already know is 5. Do our products match? Yes, they sure do. In both of these problems, we have 5,696 as our product. So we're good to go. All right, y'all. Until next time, see you later.